And this is what a creek can turn to in the Pilbara. A raging river. See, they've still got the fucking sprinklers on. Epic.